there, Chad McDowell here with Petty John Auto. I'm going to talk about Apple CarPlay today and show you how it works. It's a simple, cool, easy, pre-installed feature on a lot of new cars that lets you use a lot of the functionality already on your iPhone and lets you do it safely without losing the functionality of your iPhone on the road. Alright, so here we are in a 2018 Pacifica. It's got Apple CarPlay capabilities. All you're going to do is you're going to plug it into the USB. You're going to run the cable to your phone, and I'm going to plug it all the way in. I haven't done that yet. Once you do, you see the charger. I'm going to throw it down in this little slot, and you're going to see Apple CarPlay pop up. Okay? I'm going to come over here, click Apple CarPlay, and there's the screen on my phone. It's got all the functionality, lots of it, that you can do on your phone. As you can tell, you can call, text, use the maps, functionality on your Apple phone, Pandora, Apple or Amazon Music, and podcasts. So let's try out some of the features. You can use your Siri features just like on your phone. Hey Siri, call Amber home.
Calling Amber home.
So you're driving, and you can call home. Call your wife, call your friends, whatever you want to do. Okay? And I can end the phone call right here. I can text message. So I could say, hey Siri, text Amber.
What do you want to say?
Hi honey, just testing out Apple CarPlay. Love you. See you soon.
Your message to Amber says, hi honey, just testing out Apple CarPlay. Love you. See you soon. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
And as you can tell, the text did not show me words, it just read it to me. It doesn't want you looking at the screen and reading. And it will play text messages back to you. It won't show them on the screen. It'll read them to you, which is an excellent feature while you're driving to keep us all safe. You can listen to podcasts, you can listen to Pandora, you can listen to different things. So I can go here, and if I was in Pandora and I wanted to go back home at any point in time, you can see the home button on the bottom left. So if I want to go home at that point, I just click here, and that's like clicking the home button on my phone. So really great, cool features that you can utilize from your Apple phone that you don't lose some of those features while you're driving. So a really neat thing, and super easy and super intuitive. Enjoy your Apple CarPlay. So there you have it. Have fun and be safe on the road. Subscribe to my channel, Chad McDowell at YouTube. Give me a shout at chad@pettyjohnauto.com or call me anytime, 660-425-2244. Have a great day.